You are going to love the 2020 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, leather upholstery, audio radio, touchscreen display. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.